Hello advocates. Today I am here in Saket Court for collecting the supplementary charge sheet which is filed by the investigating officer, and when you require the supplementary charge sheet, so suppose when the matter is listed before the Honorable Session Court, then the supplementary charge sheet will be filed by the IO before the subordinate court of the district, and from there you have to collect the supplementary charge sheet. And now the main procedure is, when the supplementary charge sheet is filed before the subordinate court, then the supplementary charge sheet will be committed to the original court where the matter is pending, and you have to but if I am talking to collect the supplementary charge sheet, you need to go to the lower court where the supplementary charge sheet has been filed, and you have to collect the same before this subordinate court. And when you lost your date, when you lose your date, and you were unable to collect the same, then you have to move the application before the main court, which is Session Court, and pray the same before the learned ASJ for seeking the supplementary charge sheet and other evidences. Then if the court allows, then you can also avail these supplementary charge sheet, and there is another method to collect the same. So you have to file the certifying. You have to apply for certifying copy before this court. From there you can also collect the same. But when we talk about the any obscene material which is recorded as evidence before the court, then you have to move the application before the court and collect the same through the pen drive or the another storage media. Thank you.